Here's how easy it is to install your new Adventure Kings awning. With just a couple of basic hand tools, you should be done in less than 15 minutes. First step is to take it out of the box and see what's inside.
The awning mounting kit is sold separately.
You get 2 heavy-duty L brackets, 2 sandwich plates, 4 short bolts with nylon nuts, and 4 long bolts with nylon nuts. The mounting kit is designed to mount directly to the mesh of an Adventure Kings or similar roof rack. But if you've got a drill, it's super easy to mount it to a set of crossbars or to the side of the roof rack itself. But we'll go through that in a moment. The typical installation process is super easy. Sit the awning up on the roof rack and position it front to rear on the vehicle. When you're happy with the positioning, mount your L brackets with the sandwich plates. Choose a suitable position towards the front and rear of the awning. The L brackets go on top of the mesh and sandwich plates underneath. Use the long bolts to sandwich them together. Once the L brackets are mounted, slide 2 of the smaller bolts into each awning channel. Then line up the bolts with your L brackets. Now, simply flip the awning over and mate the bolts up to the L bracket holes, adding the nylon nuts as you go. Now, if you're doing this by yourself, here's a handy tip. Tie a strap around one end of the awning so you can focus on the other end without it falling down. Then it's a matter of nipping up the nylon nuts on each bracket. Double check everything is tight and that's it. Got a set of another brand of crossbars? Often you'll be able to pop the outer caps off and slide the L brackets inside the crossbars. You'll probably then need to mark 2 holes to drill on each crossbar. Drill them out to 8mm and deburr them to let your L brackets mount to the crossbars themselves. Remember to put a rag underneath to catch any shavings, and use the sandwich plates to properly spread the load. You can also mount the awning directly to your roof rack by drilling straight through the upright sections, negating the need to use the L brackets altogether. Make sure you deburr the holes and give them a quick coat of spray paint to prevent rust. Then line up your bolts, position the awning, tighten up the nuts, and you're done. And that's it. Now you're set to enjoy the outdoors no matter what the weather has to throw at you.